Swindon St George are a rugby league team playing in the West of England Rugby League. The kit consists of white shirts with a red St George's cross over the front and back, red shorts with white trim down the side and red socks. History: Swindon Bulldogs Rugby League Club existed from the 1980s until 1995. They played in the Midlands and South West Amateur Rugby League Association (MASWARLA), and the London League. Former Bulldogs players got together to form the committee of a new club, Swindon St George. In late 2007, Swindon joined the West Midlands division of the Rugby League Conference in 2008. In 2009, they competed in the London and South Division. In 2011, they competed in the West of England Regional League, losing in the final of the playoffs, after Michael Thompson scored 7 tries in their semi-final. They competed in the West of England Regional Final once again in 2014, losing to Gloucester.